guys, I promise you this swimming pool that you see here, I grew up in it. I think lifesaver where I in the Navy, if I'm not mistaken, this guy was good for swimmer. Actually, you always say I'm a good swimmer when you see me swimming at my house. Up, you see, and then come here. Somewhere here, probably safer, so somewhere here. Probably safer upper. Oh yeah, somewhere here, probably safer. So, to those who grew up in Gweru by then, there was this guy in the pemhe. I even in Degeso. So this pemhe, we are going to take and my coins. Tones, no guy my coins, pasapa, one of my coin up our things. Don't much I take it out with the swimming pool. So I'm so happy to see it is still functioning, guys. And you can see the kids are swimming behind me. Iron, don't get my changing house. Show them that those changing house. Anyway, we'll pass by them. Toso Puraneko. Saka swimming pool ndiyo, guys, you can see it. Tafara utikune bakuru bari kuchengetedza, maybe he doesn't want to come out of the camera. That's why we respect that. Let's go to the changing rooms. The kids are even enjoying themselves. You can see the kids are enjoying themselves in the swimming pool, guys. It's still functioning. Send the children to the kids. Wanangaba we have swimming pool. Send them in to come and swim. And this is the swimming room. Come, I'll show you the swimming room. No, there's water. I think I don't know. That's a thing there. Oh no, there's water that side. So these were the changing rooms. Come. I'm not going to here. No matter if you tichinjira muno pinda makachinjira antika munongozivawo everybody there zvanga zvakanaka, guys. No matter if tikaita masquabbles kumvura taya kuzorwira kunoko anongori kuona uko ndovangari matoilets acho ayo, but they are dilapidated. I think nobody's taking care of these things. Yeah, okay, come and see. You know how it is anyway. Mari munyika hamuna muno mameno ndiani wakuitawo akusumudza masimbi muno ndo matairwira tikatenetsana uko, like our primary school tikanetsana there's nearby primary school here St. Paul's tosangana muno ndo mairowa vanhu vakaungana vakwira vanhu muchirovana muri pakatana. So guys, this is the swimming pool yekugweru kumukoba kugeto. I am kugeto ini ndakurira geto. I always tell you ndiri munhu mugeto. So ndo swimming pool yekumukoba and it's still functioning, guys. Antika so vananga vaende vanoswima tosangana pablog rinotevera.